Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are doing great in your life. So today once again I'm sharing a dress and try on haul. In past also I have done several videos about dress and clothes collection. Today also I received a lot of clothes from Dressin. So let me show you. All these clothes from Dressin, they comes in these kind of packets. Good for gifting as well. Nicely packaged. You can reuse and recycle these packets. 12 clothes pieces from Dressin, and just now I'll share all these clothes collection with you all one by one. So if you are first time buying from Dressin, or you want to have a little idea about Dressin, so Dressin is an online clothing platform where you can find a lot of variety of clothes collection, from dresses to the trousers, from summer clothes, winter clothes, fall clothes, and women and kids as well. All on the Dressin website or app, you can find trendy man and woman outfits at affordable prices. Okay, so let's see what's in my Dressin try on haul for today. Let's open this pack one. I was thinking to order some good quality t-shirts for everyday wear. So this is a pack of 3 t-shirts, other colors and sizes available, and the first one is this black color t-shirt, and it is very nice, good for everyday use, to pair up with jeans. I really like it, and the material is also good. Next, in the same pack, it's a pack of 3 t-shirts. This one is a peach colored or light pink colored kind of t-shirt. There is this flower and it is written growth. So it is very nice t-shirt. See? And the next t-shirt is this one. This is light yellow color. There is a flower pattern on the front side, and there is a message: love yourself, believe in your dreams. So very thoughtful message. And all these t-shirts good for everyday use, or you can just wear them and very comfortable to go out as well. Here the next pack. This is a top, a net top, I think, good for summer. It's a black color top with flower prints. Nice summer top. Some material is fabric and the other is some net like fabric. This is how it looks. I'll style it and share how it looks, guys. I would like to highlight a little about Dressin cashback reward program. So every time you do shopping at Dressin, you get cashback rewards. So order your favorite item and get $8 cashback when you use my link. I'm providing a link in the description box below the video. Once you earn, you can shop on site or you can cash it out within 24-hour transfer. If you want to do shopping, you can download the Dressin app and start shopping. So you can do shopping from the Dressin website. So let me show you the next clothes. So this is a top. It's, I think, peach colored top. Comfortable, loose kind of top. So nice. See how it looks. I like these sleeves, this kind of design pattern. And I'll show you how it looks. It's a simple top, but it will look really nice with the jeans or a legging. So let me show you the next piece. So this one is a dress. I just picked one dress this time. It's like a colorful flower printed dress. It's a A-line dress, and the material is good. This is how it looks. Comfortable dress. You can style it with a belt, and this is a very nice and colorful, beautiful dress. The length of the dress is not too long, not too short, but you can check according to the size chart, whatever fits you. All the measurements and every detail is given in the measurement chart. So all the clothes have different colors also, so you can pick colors of your choice. Let me show you the next clothing piece. This one is a 2-piece set. So one is top and the pant. This is the top, a gray color top with some black colored prints. And this graphic like prints I really like, so I picked this one. Pant is a plain, so the combo of this 2-piece set, I really liked it. Let me show you the next clothing piece. So this one is a pant. It's a printed pant and I really liked it. It's a loose pant kind of, very comfortable, good for everyday wear. Also we can style it with a printed top or plain top. One is again a pant. Actually I have picked many pants because very soon my work will start, and it will be very much useful for everyday wear and very comfortable. I have the same pant from Dressin in a different color, and I'm wearing it from a long time. So this time I picked this color. Loose flowy pants. Look at this. And after that there is one more pant. So this one, I have the same pant in pink color also from my last year's Dressin haul. And this time I picked a different color. So these pants are very comfortable. They have pockets on the sides and very good quality, good for fall season as well as springtime. And I really love to wear these comfortable pants at home also, so it's perfect for me. The size is medium. All these clothes I'm showing you, they have a different sizes and different colors. I will put all the links of these clothes which I'm showing you today in the description box. You can check whatever cloth you like. So different sizes and different colors are available. Next is a two-piece dress, again sky blue color two-piece printed dress set. So I liked it, and let's see how it looks. So there is this plain pant. This is how the pant is, comfortable plain pant, and along with the pant there is this top. So these are matching kind of, the same color pattern. This is how it is. And I have, I think, 3 more packets to show you all. There is this one more pant. Let me show you. So this is a black colored pant, friends. There is a belt in the front, this kind of belt, and the pant is material is good quality, and this is a wide wide length pant. So I will show you how it looks when I style it. And after that there is one more pant. This one is maroon color, I think so. So this one is another pant, comfortable, good for everyday use. The last dress. So this is a two-piece set, and it is nice printed top and then plain pant. So this is how the top is, butterfly prints on the top, and the pant, it's plain, so matching outfit. So these are all the clothes which I have received from Dressin. I'll put link of all these clothes in the description box, and make sure that you take advantage of this Dressin reward program. Also, if you have any query or any details you would like to have, please put a comment in the description box below my video. My personal experience, I really like Dressin clothes. I'm wearing Dressin clothes in my everyday lifestyle as well. So bye, thank you everyone.